Indonesia, negeri kepulauan yang dijuluki surga tropis, tak henti-hentinya memikat para pelancong dari seluruh penjuru dunia. Bukan hanya karena keindahan alamnya, tapi juga karena gaya hidup yang unik dan keramahan penduduknya. Ada beberapa wisatawan asal luar negeri ini jatuh hati pada Indonesia. Apa sih yang membuatnya betah tinggal di sini? Penasaran apa saja yang paling disukainya? Yuk, simak langsung pengakuannya tentang pesona Indonesia yang bikin dia enggan pulang.
So why should you visit Indonesia? In this video, I want to share my top reasons why you, yes, you, have to visit Indonesia at least once in your life as a tourist. And who knows, maybe after that, you would like to stay here for a longer time period. And the first reason is nature. I mean, I've seen my first volcano here and it was mind-blowing. Indonesia, you can visit volcanoes, you can visit mountains. If you are tired with mountains view, you might go to jungles or you might go to wild beaches with black sand or even pink sand. I mean, the nature here is so beautiful, it's so green, it's so bright. This is really like one of the main reasons why you have to visit Indonesia. The second reason is the climate, because here are only two seasons, which is dry and rainy season, and it's really comfortable for you, it's really comfortable for your mood. You don't have that much drastic changes in temperature, as for example when you are living in countries with four seasons. Another reason is food. I mean, guys, Indonesian food is really delicious. The amount of tastes, of different tastes and of their combination, I mean, this is so delicious. If you ever try and if you ever have a chance to try rendang, I mean, please do, because this is so yummy. And after trying Indonesian food, you become a little bit picky, like when you're eating some different cuisine, dishes from different cuisine, you become like, maybe I need to add some more spices here. So like you definitely have to try Indonesian food in Indonesia. And another reason that I consider maybe top reason is people. People here are so friendly and they're so nice, they are helpful, and you also learn a lot from them. They have like their own philosophy, approach to life, and watching Indonesians for 5 years, it really has affected myself as well. The way I perceive the life, perceive the world, I became less anxious, I started enjoying the moment more, and I really got these feelings and I got these features in me just by being around them, watching them, communicating with them. And this is a great thing, to be honest. If you ever come to Indonesia, please don't limit yourself with only one island. Please try to visit as much as possible, because there are so many ethnicities here, there are so many cultural diversity here in Indonesia. So don't limit yourself with one place only, please. Just if you plan a trip, you can DM me or you can comment here and I will help you. I will send you links to some cool places to see, which is not one island only, you know. If you found this video interesting or useful for you, please press like and comment where you're from and where would you like to go in Indonesia, which island would you like to visit and why. Or maybe you're living here already, so tell me where you, maybe we can just meet up and hang out together. So I wish you a great day and please subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Seorang wanita Amerika membagikan alasannya kenapa sangat senang hidup di Indonesia, meninggalkan hiruk-pikuk negaranya demi hidup yang lebih tenang di Bali. Mari simak apa katanya.
Why Bali? That was the most asked question that I got before I left home. Like, why are we moving to Bali, Indonesia? For those of you who've been to Bali, maybe you would understand why. I mean, there's just a feeling or a vibe when you're here that's just so inspiring, and I don't even know what it is. I think it's just in the air. I don't know why I feel so motivated and inspired when I'm here, but I just do. And also just like kind of the wellness aspect of it. It's great to tune into yourself, and yoga classes are readily available constantly all the time. The people are so nice, and it's just amazing to be around their spirituality. It really like makes me feel something, even though like I don't practice the Hindu religion, which is it's just really fascinating to me, and I love it. Obviously, the cost of living, that's that it plays a huge part in why people come here. Even though it is getting more expensive, accommodations are getting more expensive, things like food it's so cheap. Food and transportation, it's just so cheap. It's hard to even really wrap your mind around until you get here and you're like, that was $2 to drive me for 30 minutes. That's crazy. But honestly, if this place sucked, it wouldn't even be worth it if it was cheap, if that makes sense. Like, it being cheap isn't the only reason to come here. There's so many amazing reasons. Part of the reason I wanted to come here is because I'm starting over in my life. I'm starting a new job and a new business, and I think being on the other side of the world, away from America, is like helpful. I have less distractions. I can focus on what I want. It's really nice that there's at least 6 to 8 hours of the day that I cannot contact anybody from home because they're asleep. So it just forces me to turn in and work on my own things and focus. So I think that's the huge reason for wanting to be here for at least 6 months. We'll see how things go.
Bukan hanya pelancong dari Eropa, banyak juga pelancong asing asal Asia yang mengagumi Indonesia. Salah satunya adalah pelancong cantik asal Cina yang juga sangat betah tinggal di Indonesia. Mari kita simak apa yang dikatakannya tentang Indonesia.
Kenapa banyak orang China yang datang ke Indonesia tidak mau pulang? Menurut saya, orang Indonesia sangat baik. Mereka suka tersenyum dan respect semua orang. Baik itu pembantu, pelayan, dan mereka juga sangat suka pekerjaannya. Mereka suka menghabiskan waktu dengan keluarga dan menuju teman-temannya. Saat di China, semua orang terlihat sangat stres dan dingin. Kalian punya perasaan yang sama enggak?
Bagi banyak orang asing, Indonesia bukan sekadar tempat liburan. Mereka datang mungkin karena penasaran dengan pantainya yang memesona, hutan tropisnya yang hijau, atau gunung-gunungnya yang megah. Tapi yang membuat mereka ingin tinggal lebih lama, bahkan enggan pulang, bukan hanya alamnya. Makanan di sini begitu beragam dan murah. Dari nasi goreng sederhana, sampai sate di pinggir jalan, semuanya terasa spesial. Tapi lebih dari itu, ada satu hal yang benar-benar menyentuh hati. Keramahan orang Indonesia. Senyum tulus, sapaan hangat, dan cara mereka menyambut orang asing seolah keluarga sendiri, itulah yang membuat Indonesia terasa berbeda. Banyak dari mereka yang awalnya hanya ingin tinggal seminggu, berubah menjadi berbulan-bulan, bahkan bertahun-tahun. Karena di sini, mereka menemukan sesuatu yang tak bisa dibeli. Rasa damai dan koneksi manusia yang tulus. Indonesia bukan hanya destinasi, tapi sebuah pengalaman hidup yang membekas. Dan bagi banyak dari mereka, Indonesia adalah rumah kedua yang sulit ditinggalkan. Kalau kamu belum pernah merasakannya sendiri, mungkin sekaranglah waktunya. Kunjungi Indonesia. Rasakan sendiri keajaiban yang membuat dunia jatuh cinta. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan bagikan video ini ke temanmu. Siapa tahu mereka juga sedang mencari tempat di mana hati bisa benar-benar tenang.